Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll try out something which is fluorescent acrylic and acrylic inks. These are the few things I bought recently and all I wanted to try them out. So stay along with me and let's get started. But before that, let's create an atmosphere for that. So it's been a long time I haven't been doing anything with my day bed, and this time I planned something to do with whites. I already have few pink cushions at my home, so I just bought few pillows and white bed sheets and pillow covers from Flipkart. I really got them at a good deal, and all I wanted to lay them down because white is very calming color, and in art studios it plays really well. You need to keep your environment and the ambience really cool and satisfying so that you can paint in a peaceful like environment, and really ambience matters for me a lot. So now let's get started with the painting. As you can see, I have already done the sketch for the painting, and now what I am doing is I am just pasting these newspaper cuts to my painting surface. I am just pasting them randomly with gesso. No need to apply glue to them. Gesso works fine with pasting papers onto the surface of the paper, and I will apply gesso evenly throughout the painting surface. And at this stage I will also add few drops of acrylic inks to this gesso so that my gesso turns into a little tinted one, and it will serve double the purpose. It will just tone down my painting area other than white, and it will help me to understand the color values better. I will do this to all over my paint surface, and regardless of whatever the painting areas are. After having done with this, I will start painting the face of the girl. Here I am using burnt sienna, scarlet red and a little bit of Prussian blue mixed with little bit of white, and after giving just one tone, I'll start painting those eyes and those darker shades under the nose and for the lips. I always try to paint the darker areas first. That helps me to understand that no matter what happens, I cannot get any darker from this one, and all I can do is to paint lighter and lighter shades. So in this way I'll keep applying my very first layer to my painting. So guys, I'm really very happy to announce that I finally got my business card. I was really very excited to have this, and they look super cute, and finally I can see myself on a card. So something I wanted to achieve for a long time is to replicate the style of my oil paintings in my acrylic ones. I realized that I have to make strong decisions for this. I actually have one chance to make a brush stroke work. and if I hesitate with my work, it will clearly be shown in my paintings. Acrylic colors are much bold and quick drying permanent colors. So to make it look like oils, I need to be very careful. I cannot redo or wipe off my paints like I can do in oil paints. Once it's done, it's done. I always wanted to create some fusion paintings like this, other than just normal portrait painting. So I never discussed this with anyone. I mean, whatever I wanna paint. Because when you tell anyone what you wanna paint, they may judge your plans or you may get influenced and won't stay true to your first and pure decisions. So sometimes I don't show few of my work in progresses, and in this way I can see what I really can do with my painting without the influence of other people. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed that painting video. Please hit the like button if you like it, and let me know in the comment section below whatever you feel about the painting. Do subscribe to this channel guys, it means a lot for me, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I do post there as well. And stay creative. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.